All right, guys, I'm pretty excited right now. I just got a new car, so it's a new project with a lot of things to do, and I'm so excited to do it. All right, the new car, it is a 2006 SRT8 with the Pro Charger, running about 650 HP. I haven't had it dynoed. I haven't done anything to it. I just got the car. Haven't even been able to give it a car wash yet. But I am super excited about this project and seeing what I can do with this car. All right, guys, check it out. Not bad. I definitely got some things I have to do to it. It needs new tires. The rims have to be painted. These tires are shot. They did have good tires on here. They were the Nitto 555Rs Extreme Drag. Perfect tires for this car.